Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the best folding mobility scooters, perfect for anyone looking for independence, comfort, and portability on the go. Whether you're traveling, running errands, or just enjoying more freedom outdoors, these scooters are designed to be compact, easy to transport, and simple to use. We've rounded up the top options that offer great performance, reliability, and convenience, all without taking up too much space. All the product links are in the description below, so let's roll into it and find the best folding mobility scooter for your needs. Number 5. Metro Mobility Scooters. The Metro Mobility 4-wheel scooter offers a reliable choice for adults and seniors who need help getting around with comfort and control. With a weight of 95 pounds, this scooter is designed for everyday use and comes in red and other color choices for those who want a touch of personal style. Its compact structure allows easy handling and is made to support up to 265 pounds. Built with a 300-watt motor, the scooter can travel up to 10 miles on a full charge, making it suitable for regular errands or light outdoor trips. It features solid 9-inch tires and a turning radius of 42.5 inches, helping users move around tight spaces. Its ability to handle slopes up to 8 degrees makes it useful for slightly uneven terrain. The seat offers a full 360-degree swivel and adjustable height, which helps users get on and off without difficulty. This design supports better posture and comfort during rides. Number 4. Pride GoGo Elite Traveler 4-wheel scooter. The Pride GoGo Elite Traveler 4-wheel scooter is a compact travel option designed for adults who want ease of movement during daily activities or trips. With a lightweight build of 29 pounds, it is easier to handle than many other mobility devices in its class. This scooter is ideal for use on cruises, travel, and daily tasks, offering solid performance in various situations. It can support up to 300 pounds, making it suitable for a range of body types. The top speed reaches 4 miles per hour, providing a steady pace for short-distance travel. Its 12-ampere-hour battery pack gives enough power for practical daily use, helping users move freely through stores, homes, or travel spaces. Number 3. Vive 3-wheel mobility scooter. The Vive 3-wheel mobility scooter is a compact and useful travel option for adults seeking support with everyday movement. It weighs 84 pounds and is designed to help users navigate both indoor and outdoor surfaces with ease. Built to carry up to 265 pounds, the scooter balances comfort and safety through its thoughtful design. The padded seat offers both comfort and support, with a width of 16.9 inches and a backrest that provides gentle cushioning. The seat can swivel, making it easier for users to get on and off without discomfort. Its height can also be adjusted to match the user's needs, while padded armrests can be flipped upward for added access. The scooter can be separated into 4 pieces for easy transport. The heaviest part, which is the rear section, weighs 29 pounds. This allows it to be loaded into the trunk of most vehicles. The folding tiller and removable seat further assist with storage and transportation. Number 2. TRIAXE Cruze Foldable 3-wheel mobility scooter. The TRIAXE Cruze 3-wheel mobility scooter is designed for adults who need support with mobility while valuing speed and portability. Weighing 58 pounds, this scooter combines the features of a full-size ride with the benefits of a foldable travel device. Its folding frame allows users to pack it flat for storage or transport, making it suitable for travel and daily use. Built with strong aluminum construction, the scooter supports up to 350 pounds, offering a stable and safe experience for users of different sizes. It can reach speeds of up to 6 miles per hour and travel up to 18 miles on a single charge, providing longer usage between charges compared to many similar models. The scooter includes electromagnetic brakes for quick and safe stopping, a freewheel mode for easier manual movement, and a speed control function that helps adjust pace based on the user's comfort and surroundings. Number 1. Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter. The Vive four-wheel mobility scooter offers a useful option for adults and elderly individuals needing a reliable way to move around. It is made to help navigate both indoor areas and some outdoor surfaces with stability. The scooter is built to support up to 265 pounds and weighs 88 pounds. With a design aimed at comfort and ease of use, it includes a padded seat and backrest that provide support during longer rides. The seat is adjustable in height and can swivel to help users get on or off without strain. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.